Alright guys, what is up? Dibs here. Oh my gosh, what has been going on? Well, I got this jet ski from my buddy because he wrecked into another jet ski like pretty bad where it messed up the whole bottom or whatever. So we got it and I've kept it at work for a year now. I think it has been. It finally snowed, a big snow. I think we got like 11.5 inches, something like that. Finally, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna keep this so we can pull it around something and pull it around and see how silly we can get and whatnot with my buddy's Jeep. So I called up my buddy and asked him if we could pull a jet ski around behind his Jeep, and that's exactly what we did. So hopefully you guys like this video, and so let's see how it does. Hopefully it pulls it. Oh yeah, look at that. Woohoo! We got to lean with it. It's not leaning this way. There we go. Kind of Woo! Oh shit! Yeah! Woo! That was freaking awesome! Woo! Oh shit, better hold on. Here we go! Oh crap! I better pay attention.
Get out of here.
Yeah, I know. What'd you do that for?
Huh?
What'd you do that for?
Oh.
Go ahead, give her hell. I'm holding on. Ruh-roh, the old Jeep's stuck. Uh-oh. Yeah! Oh no, you hit the jet ski! Yeah, hit it! Yeah! Yeah! Oh yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Oh. Okie dokie. You're good. Oh yeah, that was cool. That was fun. You missed it, those big drifts way over there. Oh my gosh. They were so much fun. Guys, this is kind of hard. It's hard to stay on this thing. I about fell off 2 times, 2 or 3 times. Oh! Whoa, guys, whoa, hold on. Hold on. I won't, I promise. Let me get this thing out of here first. All right, I'm ready, baby. Uh-oh, here's a trash barrel. Oh, God. Oh shit! Oh my gosh! Look at these snowdrifts! Holy cow! Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo! There's our professional driver. Oh my gosh, that's some fun, guys. We got Keaton driving and Alicia behind us. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Whose exhaust is back here? Oh. So I thought.
My spare parts though.
Oh geez.
Looks like you're hitting waves right there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I can't get enough speed and tool drive to really get it.
Yeah, I know. That's alright. Well, I'm glad I saved it.
The highway is like,
Oh yeah, the highway and the road.
Go down the highway.
yeah.
Turn on the head.
We should just go downtown Effingham with this.
Oh shit.
Go to the O.
Oh yeah.
I'll be doing circles in the air. Shorten it up.
Yeah, that'd be funny. Marty'd be like, what the hell are you guys doing?
Oh, I bet that does feel crazy.
Yeah, like when you turn or something, it'll
Feels like you're going
throw you, yeah.
like,
Yeah, you have to hold on. For sure. Well, I guess let me take this battery out. That was a pretty good time. Thanks, man.
Cool.
Yeah, it was cool.
We'll just unhook her back here somewhere for now.
Yeah, that's fine. Load it up whenever or
Get it
whatnot.
in a week or two or something.
Yeah, I don't
So
care.
maybe this trip.
Taco down.
It's stuck.
There it is.
Fancy step on the
It's a sport too, dang. I need some rims and tires. Poor Taco.
Bit show off and just drove right around it.